All right, the next one we're going to look at is similarities, similar triangles and similar transformations. All right, it's a P8. So looking at some examples here, I'll show you how to do them. Okay, so you can transform CDE to image CDE by translating it and then performing a dilation center at the origin. Okay, so we're starting here at 0, 0. So CDE, similar to CDE, the image of CDE. Find the translation rule and the scale factor of the dilation. Okay, and then you're simply gonna simplify the scale factor and write it as a proper fraction, improper fraction, or whole number. Okay, so you're looking for the translation, so it's gonna be x plus or minus number it's gonna move over. So from here to there, the same for y. So x is gonna be right to left, and then y is gonna be up and down, right? Scale factor is gonna be the sizing change. Okay. So this one I'd look at CE, the length of that, and the length of the image CE, because they're right along the lines. I don't like to mess with the diagonals as much. It's a lot easier just to follow with your fingers. All right, so the origin point is 0, 0. The image of point XY translate H units horizontally and K units vertically. So you might see K plus H, X plus H, and then Y plus K. As seen there. If H is positive, the point is translated to the right, and H is negative, the point is translated to the left. Okay. If K is positive, the point is translated up, and then K is negative, the point is translated down. Okay. Okay. Since the dilation is centered at the origin, make sure that one pair of corresponding vertices is located at the origin before you apply the dilation. Okay, so you can read through this in the notes, but basically here, if you put them on top of each other, you can see the difference between the two. So looking back to where it moved, so I go back all the way up here, so they figure out it's going to be x plus 8 and then y plus 3. Why is that? Okay, so let's look over here. So if I look at D, so this is 0, 0. D over here, original is going to be -8 and -3 right there. So this is going to be x plus, so it's going to go eight places to the right and 3 places up to get to the origin right there. Okay. So that's the translation. Now the scale factor, if I measure the length of this side right there and this side right there, then I can figure out what the scale factor is. So this is actually gonna be, this image is gonna be 4 times as big, because here if I go across 1, 2, 3, and this if I go across there is 9, okay? So 9 over, I'm sorry, not 9. So I meant 12, 12 and 3. So let's write that out. That's going to be the same as 4 and 1, which is going to be equal to 4 right there. All right, so my scale factor there is going to be 4 on that problem right there. All right, let's go up to another one. Okay, so same thing on this one. So let's see from the origin right here to the next J point here, I'm going to go over 5. And then so this is 5. And then I'm going up to 7. Okay. Okay. Or from here, go in the opposite direction. I like to look this way a lot of the time. I know if it's going to this direction, it's going to be actually minus, and this can be minus as well. So this one would be x minus 7, and then y minus 5. Okay, so they're both in the positive plane coordinate 1. I'm actually going to want to actually start from here, then go to there. I sometimes go the opposite way, but anyway, it's going to be x minus 7, x or y minus 5. And then my scale factor on this one is going to be 3. Because here I'm going down My JK length is going to be 9. My JK length here is going to be 3. Down the inside. That's going to be 9 over 3, 3, 1, or equal to just 3. So my scale factor at the end is just going to be 3. All right. All right, looking at this one, so I'm finding F. I'm here, and I'm going to go to the image of F. So I'm actually going to go 1, 2, 3 spaces over. This would be 3. And then going up 1, 2. Okay. So on this one is going to be X plus 3, and then Y plus 2. So right, let me write this down. Right 3, and then up 2. All right, my scale factor in this one, I'm going to look at the line EG and the image of EG right there. So the distance between these two. All right, so that's going to be 8, and then this one over here is going to be 6. Okay, because I'm going from -3 to +3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So on the scale factor is actually going to be 6 over 8, which is going to reduce down to 3/4. Okay. So my scale factor, I want to write in with a colon. So 3 colon 4. All right, let's look at one more. This one right here. So looking how far X is going from here to there. So I'm at, X is going to be -9 and -3. So that means I'm going to be going X plus 9, because I'm going to go 9 here toward, all the way toward the origin, and then going up towards 3. So I'm going to go over 9, and then I'm going to go up 3. So Y minus 3. And then if I'm measuring this side and this side right there, so length of this is going to be 9, because we're at -9, right? So if I'm going up from -9 to 0, that'd be 9 places. And then from here to there, that's going to be 3. Okay, so the scale factor is going to be 9 over 3, which is going to translate to 3 over 1, which is actually just going to be 3. So my scale factor on this one is going to be 3. And that should do it for this section. Good luck.